Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Dodge Challenger, a car that's keeping the American muscle legacy alive while throwing in some bold new tricks. This iconic coupe blends retro swagger with modern tech and performance, and I'm stoked to walk you through every inch of it. From the aggressive exterior to the revamped interior, the raw power under the hood, and the price tags, we've got a lot to cover. Plus, I'll share my thoughts on who this beast is for and why it's still a legend. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Let's start with the exterior. And man, does the 2026 Dodge Challenger make a statement. Up front, it's all about that in-your-face attitude. The grille is wider and more menacing than ever, with sharper lines that scream power before you even hear the engine. The LED headlights are sleeker, giving it a modern edge while still nodding to the classic Challenger vibe. Those iconic air catcher headlamps are back, not just for looks but to funnel air into the engine for extra grunt. You've got options for hood scoops, racing stripes, and even a dual snorkel hood on higher trims like the SRT Hellcat, which just amps up the aggression. The front fascia feels like it's ready to eat the road, and it's impossible to miss whether you're cruising or parked at a car show. Moving to the side, the Challenger's muscular silhouette is timeless. Those long, sculpted lines and wide fender flares, especially on the wide-body models, give it a planted, ready-to-pounce stance. The 2026 model gets a slight redesign with enhanced aerodynamics, so it cuts through the air better without losing that beefy profile. You can spec it with 18 or 20-inch wheels, and performance tires or even drag radial tires are on the table for track enthusiasts. The side mirrors have that retro oval shape, a throwback to the original Challenger, but they're packed with modern tech like blind spot indicators. Color options are vibrant. Think classics like Plum Crazy or Go Mango, alongside new shades for 2026 that pop under the sun. It's a car that looks fast, standing still. At the back, the story continues with bold, retro-inspired taillights that stretch across the rear, in that signature LED glow. The redesigned rear bumper is chunkier, with dual exhausts that let out a growl you'll feel in your chest. Spoilers are available from subtle to in-your-face, and they're not just for show. They help with downforce at high speeds. The 2026 model adds some slick new badging, especially on the last call or jailbreak editions, letting everyone know you're driving something special. Overall, the exterior is a perfect mix of nostalgic muscle and modern flair, crafted to turn heads and spark conversations wherever you go. Now let's slide inside the cabin, and wow, Dodge has stepped it up for 2026. The interior is a blend of retro charm and high-tech comfort. You're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that feels like it's built around you, with the center console slightly canted toward the driver's seat. The materials have gotten a serious upgrade. Think Napa leather and Alcantara accents on higher trims, with options for sporty bolstered seats or plush performance seats that hug you during hard cornering. You've got color choices like demonic red or hammerhead gray, and even red seatbelts for that extra flair. It's surprisingly spacious for a muscle car, with class-exclusive 5-passenger seating, 42 inches of front legroom, and 33.1 inches in the rear. Yeah, adults can actually sit back there, which is rare for this segment. Tech-wise, the 2026 Challenger is loaded. The centerpiece is a 10.1-inch Uconnect touchscreen, one of the best in the game, with crisp graphics, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a banging Harman Kardon sound system on higher trims. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster is new for 2026, fully customizable to show everything from performance stats to navigation. Ambient lighting sets the mood, and small touches like keyless entry, push-button start, and an improved climate control system make daily driving a breeze. Storage is practical too. There's a decent-sized center console bin, and the trunk offers 16.2 cubic feet, enough for groceries or a weekend getaway. Fold down the rear seats, and you've got even more room. The only downside? Some plastics still feel a bit dated compared to pricier rivals, and rear visibility isn't great due to those thick pillars. But with a rear-view camera and blind spot monitoring, it's manageable. Alright, let's talk performance, because this is where the Challenger really flexes. The 2026 model offers a range of engines to suit every kind of driver. The base option is a 3.6-liter V6 pumping out about 305 horsepower and 268 pound-feet of torque. It's solid for daily driving, but let's be real. Most of you are here for the V8s. The 5.7-liter Hemi V8 delivers 375 horsepower and 410 pound-feet, while the 6.4-liter in the RT Scat Pack cranks out 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet. Want more? The supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 in the SRT Hellcat and Redeye models pushes up to 797 horsepower, and the SRT Superstock? A mind-blowing 807 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production cars ever. 0 to 60 in 3.25 seconds on AE. The Superstock is no joke. Transmission options include a slick 8-speed torque flight automatic, which is responsive and great for everyday use, or a 6-speed Tremec manual for purists who love rowing their own gears. Rear-wheel drive is standard for that classic muscle car feel, but the SXT and GT trims offer all-wheel drive for better traction in tricky conditions. The 2026 model gets upgraded suspension with adaptive dampers, so you can tweak the ride from comfy to track-ready. Brembo brakes, 4-piston or 6-piston on higher trims, delivers serious stopping power, and features like line lock, launch control, and an SRT power chiller keep things optimized for the strip or twisty roads. Handling is better than ever thanks to lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber. But at its core, the Challenger is still a straight-line king. It's not as nimble as a Mustang or Camaro in tight corners, but on open roads or at the drag strip, it's untouchable. Now let's get to the numbers. Pricing. The 2026 Dodge Challenger starts around $35,000 for the base SXT with the V6, making it accessible for a muscle car. Step up to the RT with the 5.7-liter V8, and you're looking at about $42,000. The RT Scat Pack starts around $50,000, while the SRT Hellcat kicks off closer to $70,000. If you're going all in for the SRT Superstock or jailbreak models, expect to hit $85,000 to $100,000, especially with options like the wide-body package, premium audio, or custom paint. Special editions like the Last Call models can push even higher. It's not cheap, but you're getting serious performance and customization for the money. Compared to rivals like the Ford Mustang or Chevy Camaro, the Challenger's base price is competitive, though top trims get pricey fast, so who's this car for and should you buy it? The 2026 Dodge Challenger is for anyone who loves raw, unfiltered driving excitement. If you're into classic American muscle with a modern twist, this is your ride. The V6 models are great for daily drivers who want style and decent power without breaking the bank. But if you're a gearhead craving that V8 roar and neck-snapping acceleration, the RT Scat Pack or SRT models are where it's at. The customization options, especially with jailbreak packages, let you build a car that's uniquely yours. My suggestion? Go for the RT Scat Pack with the Dynamics package for the best bang-for-buck performance, or splurge on the SRT Hellcat if you want to dominate the drag strip. Just know it's not the most refined daily driver. Fuel economy isn't great, and it's a big car for tight city streets. If you prioritize sharp handling or a convertible, you might lean toward a Mustang. But for pure presence and power, the Challenger is unmatched. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the 2026 Dodge Challenger. This car is a love letter to muscle car fans, blending that retro soul with enough modern tech and power to keep it relevant. Whether you're cruising the boulevard, burning rubber at the track, or just flexing at a car show, the Challenger delivers an experience that's hard to beat. Let me know in the comments what you think.